welcome back to Baggage PH. So this batch, ito po yung pinamili po nila sa akin for Gucci brand. So as you can see mga madam, ayan yung mga Gucci. This is the Gucci top handle na binigyan po natin ng detailed review. So this is the Gucci Ophidia top handle. Ito po yung medium and then ito po yung small. So we have a detailed review. Paki-review na lang po dyan sa mga uploaded po natin. And then this one is the Gucci top handle mini. And they got it for 83,880 pesos only. So, this is pang-anim na order po ito. So, meron po itong malaking strap sa loob. Ayan po siya. So, it has a thick strap on the inside. And then, ito naman ay yung Gucci-zima. Hindi ko makakuha kasi marami pa pong papel. And then this is the Gucci-zima naman, wallet on chain. So, ayan naman po yung wallet on chain. But, syempre, yung meron na pong madam, yung maglalagay po nung chain na ito. So, this is the wallet on chain na binili ni madam. Thank you so much po for trusting. So, it comes with different colors. As you can see, in our feedbacks, it comes in different colors. Black, nude, red, blue. So, sometimes yellow meron. Pero, mostly hindi na natin nakikita sa store, sa outlet. So, this one naman is the Gucci Mini Horse Beat. So, which is, nabili lang nila for 72,880 pesos. So, this one is a mini bag. Kasya po dito yung iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, ayan siya. This one is napakagaan and on-the-go sling bag. So, ganyan po siya mga madam. As you can see, maganda siya. And, ayan mga madam, we have this one po. Yung kanilang, this one is the large Boston bag of Gucci. Large po yung size na in-order ni madam. Meron din po itong small and you can check it out sa ating Facebook and Instagram page, yung upload ko between the small and large Boston bag. And now, we have this one, the Gucci top handle ni madam. Napakaganda po nito. This was currently released ngayon 2023. So, as you can see, ito po yung kanyang itsura sa loob. Hold on mga madam. Dito yan, pinipindot. Okay, so ayan siya mga madam. Ayan yung Gucci logo. And ayan siya. It has 2 compartments on the inside and one zipper pocket. And ito po yung sling niya. So, 2-way bag din siya, pero mas perfect siya kung gagawin mo siyang handbag. Kasi ayan mga madam, ang ganda, 'di ba? So, ito yung handbag na top handle na currently released. So, now naman is this one. This is the Gucci wallet. Ayan po. Mini wallet po siya. You can put bills in here, coins in here, and some credit cards. Ayan siya. And then this one is perfect fair dito sa mga Ophidia. Kasi, ayan, napakaliit lang nito, pero ang dami nyo pong mailalagay. Ayan siya, mga madam. So, ganyan siya. And then this one naman, in order ni madam for her husband. Ito po yung kaniyang Gucci-zima wallet bifold. As you can see, ayan siya. And then, ito. Marami na pong nag-order nito. We will going to have a review about this one kapag may nag-order ulit ng coin wallet, yung may coin slot dito. Kasi ito bifold for credit cards. Pero meron siyang isa pa, yung kulay ay yung may coins. Pero it comes with different colors to, 3 color, which is the black, the dark blue, and the brown. Ayan. So, ayan siya mga madam. And also this one, they bought this for 38,880 pesos only. This is the Gucci Men's Tiger Shoes. Napakaganda mga madam. So, ito siya. And ito, pina-order din to ni madam. This is the newest Jordan. This is original Swarovski. So, she bought this for 69,880 pesos only and napakahirap po nitong hanapin. And sobrang thankful kami kasi nakakita kami ng size ni Madam kasi nag-iisa lang siya, yung size niya na yan. So, kung kunyari 39 siya, wala. This one is size 37, mga madam. Ayan siya, size 37. The Gorgon Swarovski loafers. So, this is the newest then. And lastly, the new edition of the Gucci Ace sneakers. Ayan siya, as you can see yung likod. Ayan yung likod niya, mga madam. Ito yung gilid. Ayan siya. This is the classic Gucci Ace sneakers. Ayan, metallic siya. Ang ganda ng kulay, mga madam, oh. Ayan, kapag naglalakad. So, ito yung pa-order din ni Madam. And this one naman, sa mga panlalaki naman tayo. This one came from the outlet. Ito rin, regalo din sa asawa. 46,880 pesos. And this one naman is from the boutique. Ito po, mga Madam loves. So, this one is from boutique. This one is small size naman, but it has big size din. May big size din po ito. So, ayan siya. Small and big size. This one is medium size, pero may large din ito. And you can check it out sa ating Facebook, Instagram post, yung different sizes po niyan. And also, this one comes in 3 different sizes. So, almost the same, but this one is small, and then this one is medium size. Yung large, super laki talaga. So, ito po siya, mga madam. Ayan siya. So, mga regalo nila rin sa asawa nila. So, all of these items are already sold from our December batch, mga madam. So, walang akong ibang sasabihin, kundi thank you very much for trusting Baggage PH palagi. So, ayan po sila. Salamat po sa inyong tiwala. And ayan yung ating mga Gucci items for December Haul 2023 Christmas Edition. And if you want to know more about bags, please follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And yan, sa Google, masasearch nyo rin www.baggageph.com. And if you want to visit our shop here at 4th floor Ayala Malls, Cloverleaf, Quezon City, we are open every day 10 to 11 p.m. So, walang hanggang pasasalamat po ulit. And kindly follow and like our page. Maraming salamat po, mga Madam Loves and Bossing.